prime my face. Just so we're on the same page here, I haven't planned this out at all. I've never done skeleton makeup on my face. I've done it once before on my friend Harrison. Here are all my reference photos, and we're just gonna do it. I've got some black and white face paint. Let's get started, shall we? Using a black eyeliner from Milk Makeup, I am just freehand outlining the eye sockets as well as the jawbone. I found the best way to apply on the white face paint is by using a damp beauty blender because it helps to add it on evenly. And now I'm just going in with the black and filling in kind of the holes and the darker parts of the makeup look. You'll see me going back and forth between the white and the black, just making sure that I'm highlighting everything, filling it all in, and kind of cleaning up the edges as well. So face paint is super thick and creamy and it slides around, so make sure that you're setting your face with a translucent powder while doing this, especially once you go in with black eyeshadow and start to add in the shading and all the messy outlines. So I'm just kind of freeballing all of this and just adding random like shadows and lines to make everything look a little more three-dimensional. This entire look took about 2.5 hours to complete because of all the small little adjustments and details, so just be patient with it. Now I'm just blending in black eyeshadow into the hairline to make the transition a little easier, and just continuing on with the other side of my face. The mouth and teeth is when I really needed to kind of focus and make sure that I pay attention to detail. So having white in the inside and kind of blending it in with the black, I'm now starting to add in the white teeth with the face paint and a little brush.
What's around the next corner?
Now going in with an even smaller brush, I'm starting to separate the teeth with some black eyeshadow and kind of outlining everything and making sure that it looks super clean and detailed.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way we tied it loosens up on some.
I wanted to add some black liquid lipstick onto the most inner part of my lips to kind of keep it all clean when I'm eating and drinking, but also so that my teeth didn't look totally yellow against the white. And then after that, I am kind of re-highlighting the teeth with the white face paint and making sure that they really stand out. Now once again going back in there with the black eyeshadow, I'm just dragging down lines in between the teeth and continuing to add more detail, and yeah, it was a lot of back and forth, but we eventually got to a happy place. Yeah.
We make the same mistakes we always made, and let's face it.
Now I'm just adding in the final touches to the face with black eyeshadow, making sure that I set all of the black face paint, as well as just kind of buffing it around on my forehead and stuff, and setting all of it. Now, of course, let's go in with the lashes. Let's curl them. Let's add some mascara. To finish off the eyes, I'm setting all of it with black eyeshadow again, and then adding some black eyeliner to my waterline. And we are done with the look. I am so happy with it and got so many compliments for it. I kept things very simple by just wearing a blazer and some suit pants, heels, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.